Welcome to NLTV Education. Today's our topic is participle. So here we know that verbs can be finite and non-infinite. So here what are infinite verbs? So here a finite verb is the main verb in a sentences. It has a subject and changes from to show the tense and the number. So here some examples. I like to read. So here like is nothing but it has a main verb. It acts as a main verb. So here she likes to read. So here likes. So here in first person singular it has been like. So when comes to the third personal singular, so she likes to read. So here verb has changes to or es form. So here now we discuss about non-infinitive verbs. So here non-infinitive words does not have a subject and does not change form to show the tense or the number. So here he is going out. So here going it has been verb, non-infinitive verb. So it has any subject? No. So here it does not have subject or it can't be changed. So here she wants to go on a holiday. So here also to go is nothing but a verb. It acts as a non-infinitive verb. So he does not like flying. So here this flying is also a non-infinitive verb. So here non-finite verbs are of three kinds. So here they are participle, infinitives and gerunds. So here what is meant by a participle? A participle is a form of a verb that is used to indicate present or past action. So here nothing but participle it says about the verb. It forms which in present form or past form of actions. So here like other non-infinitive verbs it can stand alone and does not change its forms. So here examples. She is playing tennis. So here playing is nothing but playing is nothing but it is play is a verb. So it is in a playing. So it is in the present form. So here we were spoken to him. So here it is in the spoken is a verb. So it is in the past form. So here they have spoken to carpenter. Spoken it comes under past form. So these all playing spoken. So these two words are related to present and a past form of the verbs. Here participle are of two types. So they are present participle and past participle. So here what is meant by present participle? It is a form of a verb ending with ing form. It may be used both to form a verb tense and as an adjective. So here example. They are playing cricket outside. So here playing. So here the playing has been underlined. So it acts as a verb. So here the setting sun was so beautiful to watch. So here setting is also a verb. So but here beautiful. What sun? Setting sun. So here sun how it is beautiful. So it acts as an adjective. So here the present participle may combine with the auxiliary verbs. So nothing but auxiliary verbs are nothing but helping verbs. So be and have to form continuous and perfect verb forms. So example, they are finishing. So here are is nothing but as a auxiliary verb. So has used finishing. So here it is how it is. It is in the present participle ing form. So finish is a verb. So it has ing form. So they are finishing their rehearsals now. So here past participle. So here what is meant by past participle? It is used to form the perfect tense like the present participle. So in present participle it contains a verb and an adjective. So same like that in past participle it also contains a verb and an adjective. So here it may also used as a verb or and as an adjective. So here the glass bowl was broken by the cat. So here broken, it has act as a verb. So here next example, she removed the broken glass. So here same word, it acts as an adjective. So here the past participle of regular verbs is made by adding d or ed form. So here present participle, it has been changed to d or ed to form infinitive. So the past participle of the irregular words must be learned. So here some examples I will give. Ask, asking, asked. So here ask, this word is comes under as infinitive. So here it acts as present participle. So here it acts as a past participle. Why? Because d or ed is added in the past participle. So here finish, finishing, finished. So here you see jump, jumping, jumped. So here ed is added here. These words are comes under past participle. So here ing form is there. It acts as a present participle. So here the such words, it acts as a infinitive. Thank you.